still using only ChatGPT? You're behind. In 2026, smart creators use hidden AI tools to write everything. Most don't know they exist, yet. First, Notion AI. It turns rough ideas into professional posts and scripts in seconds. It's like a personal writing assistant in your workspace. Next is Lex. It's an AI writing coach that improves sentence quality and storytelling flow automatically, making your content sound smarter. Perplexity is insane for research. It scans the live internet and gives you fresh information with sources instantly. No more wasting hours on Google. Use Rytr for viral captions and Gamma to turn any topic into a premium presentation or content page automatically. The secret: research with Perplexity, refine in Lex, and organize in Notion. This combo makes your content look professional within days. The creators learning these tools today will dominate tomorrow. Subscribe now and start using AI today.